Tampa Bay is home to more than 57,000 tech workers. And over the next decade, we'll need to fill an additional 50,000 positions. That's like every tech employer in the region rehiring 90% of their current positions, starting today. Except this is happening across the country with 4.5 million positions to be filled. So let me ask you, if you had to essentially rehire your entire technology staff in an even more competitive environment, what might you do differently? Might you better leverage training opportunities to upskill your current workforce and junior talent? Might you incorporate apprenticeships to build stronger pipeline and create stronger community ties? What if you had no other choice? I'm guessing you'd get proactive today. You take this opportunity to be competitive. And the apprenticeship model enables you to train the talent that you need in endless supply with a positive return on investment. Through apprenticeships, your team learns the skills they need on the job while completing related technical training in parallel. If you need to wait for a 4-year graduate, you're already behind, and you'll be competing in an overly crowded market. You can get ahead of the competition, help build local tech community, and continue to be a job creator by leveraging technology apprenticeships. So act now by contacting St. Petersburg College, who can help you build your program today.